Magandang hapon po ng Sunday, July 13, 2025. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Sunday, July 13, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng July 13, 2025 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. 'See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Sunday, July 13, 2025. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 and Super Lotto 649 for July 13, 2025, Sunday. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for Sunday, July 13, 2025. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.